Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and ring that notification bell. And for today's Beauty Tuesday video, we're going to be unboxing, I'm so excited about this, we're going to be unboxing the KINDER Beauty Box. So if you're interested in what this is, what it's all about, and want to see what came in the November box, please keep watching. Alright guys, like I said, this is about the KINDER Beauty Box. I just subscribed to it. I'm so excited for this. As you guys know, I've said in previous videos that I'm trying to kind of go more towards like vegan makeup. I already think cruelty-free is the way to go, but definitely towards more like vegan as well. I'm not vegan. Well, let me clarify. Technically, I'm not vegan. I would consider myself plant-based. I do eat a vegan diet for health reasons, but recently I've kind of been doing a lot of research and stuff and just realizing that, I mean, is there really a reason for makeup to not be vegan? Like, it's a little bit ridiculous, you know what I mean? Like, animals have no place in makeup. They should not be tested on. They should not be used to create the makeup. So I've been looking for like more definitely cruelty-free, but also like more vegan options. Obviously not all of my makeup, which is why I'm calling myself plant-based, not all of my makeup is vegan, but going forward I'm going to try to be more conscious of what I'm buying and try to go towards more like vegan stuff. Anyways, I'm trying, just so that's out there, I'm trying to be more conscious. I'm trying to go more the vegan route, so that's what's going on there. You do what you want to do, but this is what I'm doing. And I heard about this box. Actually, I saw a video about this box from another YouTuber. I believe the way you pronounce her name is Rianne High. She's really awesome. Go check her out. I love her videos, but she's a vegan and she does KINDER Beauty unboxings. So it's like, oh, that's pretty cool. So then I did some research on it. Guys, so this box was created by two incredible actresses. One is Danielle Monet, which if you watched Nickelodeon growing up, if you were a Victorious fan, you know her from that. But this is what I'm most excited about. Not that I don't really like Danielle Monet, because I do, but the one I'm like so excited about is the other founder is Ivana Lynch. You guys know I'm like the biggest Potter nerd in the world. For goodness sake, my hair is Weasley red. Like, you know. So that was exciting, like so exciting for me. Like, because after Ginny Weasley, Luna Lovegood is my second favorite character. Like, okay, anyways. But so when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, it's a done deal. I have to try it. And plus I just think that this is so cool. Like, the idea that it's a box fully dedicated to be completely vegan and cruelty free. Like, that's awesome. So if that's something you're interested in, like, you definitely should look into this box, because that is so cool. Also, everything is made like from recycled material, which is super awesome, as well as I believe all the proceeds go towards like animal charities or something, but let me look it up and tell you exactly what this box is about. Okay, so it says vegan and cruelty-free makeup, skincare, hair care, and accessories curated with kindness and delivered to your door each month. Each KINDER Beauty Box is packed with $75 to $165 worth of carefully curated cruelty-free and vegan skincare, makeup, hair care, and or accessories. You'll get at least 2 full-size products in each box, and every month will help you discover new brands to fall in love with. A portion of all sales benefits some of our favorite animal rights and environmental causes. This is, like, I think that's incredible. Plans are also, like, very well priced. If you do it monthly, it's $24 a month. If you choose the 3-month plan, it's $66. So you're paying $22 a month. And if you choose the 12-month plan, it is $219.45, but you're paying only $19.95 a month. So I think that is just absolutely incredible. I do have a link down below that you can click on. It's an affiliate link. I do make a tiny commission, which would help this channel, but I don't want you guys to feel obligated to use my link. There are other YouTubers, I'm sure, who have links for them, or you can just simply go to kinderbeauty.com and you can sign up for your box there. And I will also put down below sorry, my voice. I will also put down below two different codes that you can use. You can't use both, but you can use one or the other. And I will also put them here on the screen. One is Be Kinder, and that will give you a free gift with your purchase. Or you can use, again, you can't use both, or you can use the code WELCOME5 for $5 off your first box. So super exciting. All right, so let's just get right on into the box. Like, I'm so excited about this. And I believe I read somewhere that like all the items in this month's box are full size, which is so cool. And it comes with a little pamphlet that tells you the prices and everything inside of it, just like other subscription boxes. And so I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out and telling you all about them like I do in my BoxyCharm unboxing videos. So the first thing I am pulling out is this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Color Pencil. I've gotten one of these before from a BoxyCharm. So I actually know like this pencil actually works really well. Alright, so this is what it says about this product. It says, hello, this European designed mechanical pencil has a creamy consistency that glides into place and can be lightly blended for a truly natural finish, complete with a retractable precision fine tip and brush attachment. Finish with Cella's eyebrow defining gel and Cella highlighter for everything you need to wow your brows. Beautiful. And this retails for $20. So already you've just about paid for your entire box. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but there is the color of this eyebrow pencil. It's like a soft taupey brown. The next thing I'm grabbing out of here is this natural and organic eyeliner. It says it's got almond oil and vitamin E. It's great for sensitive eyes, vegan, cruelty-free, and halal. Halal? Am I saying that right? I hope I'm saying that right. And this is in black. Oh, and it says it's smudge-proof and long-lasting, which, come on, that's what you need your eyeliner to be. I love me a good black eyeliner. So this says, PHB's award-winning natural organic pencil eyeliner is enriched with a gentle, nourishing formula of plant oils and waxes, whilst being richly pigmented for rich, long-lasting color. Glides on smoothly for fast, easy, and accurate application with a long-lasting plant-based formula that is water-resistant yet always gentle to the eyes. Great for super sensitive eyes that water easily, and it retails for $11. By the way, everything will of course be linked down below, just as usual with all of my like BoxyCharm unboxings. It'll be the same for this if you want to just purchase the products outright. But super excited for that. Ooh, this is black. Nice. It also glides on. It really does glide on really smooth. So there is the eyeliner. Looks pretty good. I'm actually very excited to try it out. Alright, so the next thing I am pulling out of here is this brush. It says it is 100% pure dual-ended eyebrow brush. This 2-in-1 eyebrow brush from 100% Pure can apply brow tints and pomades or liquid eye color with a precision angle brush tip for shaping and refining. Perfect for filling in your eyebrows with powder or gel, which will help define your tail and patch up any sparse areas. Finish by brushing, taming, and evenly distributing pigment to brows with the spiral spoolie brush, and it retails for $19. So super excited about this. You guys know I love getting brushes of literally any kind, so they hooked me up. Alright, so the very next product that I am pulling out is also from Cella. And it is this lipstick pencil. Mine is, you could either get it in the color nude or rose. Mine came in the color rose, and it says, hello, slip your lips into this luxurious creamy shallow lipstick pencil with a high color payoff. The silky matte formula is drenched in vitamin C and E, and sunflower oil, is waterproof, non-feathering, and long wearing for up to 6 hours. Beautiful. And it retails for $20. Ooh, this is smooth. Yes. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so this lip pencil is so smooth. So smooth. Sometimes like you can get lip pencils and they kind of feel like chalky or dry, like a liner or something, like trying to put it on your lips. But oh my gosh, this is so smooth, at least on my hands. So that's what it looks like. And that's such a beautiful color. That is so, so pretty. Especially like once it becomes spring, I can foresee myself wearing this all the time in spring. Now the last thing from the box is this, I think it's an eyeshadow. Yes, Han Skincare Cosmetics eyeshadow. And you could either get the colors Romance or Decadent. Mine is in the color Decadent. And it says, Han's vegan, all-natural, and talc-free eyeshadows enhance your natural beauty healthily. Formulated with natural rice powder instead of talc, Han's eyeshadow collection delivers a smooth finish for blending and building with color derived from natural plant and mineral pigments. Han eyeshadows are infused with organic shea butter and organic argan oil, along with antioxidant-rich superfruit extracts to benefit and nourish the skin, and it retails for $15. Ooh, this is a really pretty color, especially for like the whole fall, winter, like time of the year. Like this is so beautiful. Let me swatch it for you. Ooh, it's creamy. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that beautiful brown. Like seriously, that's beautiful, and it's so creamy. Like it glided right on. Glid? No, not glid. It glided. It's beautiful. I really like this. I'm definitely going to be using this. Maybe I'll even use this for Thanksgiving. Alright guys, so that was the November Kinder Beauty box. I hope that you enjoyed this. Altogether, all of these products, like I said, I paid, this box is $24 a month if you do monthly, and this all came out to an $85 value. So, I mean, that more than pays for itself. I think it was well worth the money. I'm so excited about every single one of these products. I cannot wait to start playing with them and trying them out. I think it's incredible. Again, my link will be down below. And as I said before, it is an affiliate link, but I want to also make it clear that even though it's an affiliate link and I do get a little something for if you click on it, I was not sent this box for free. I paid for this box with my own money. It wasn't sent to me. I'm not being paid for this video. These opinions are 100% true, completely mine. They do not know I even exist. I just really wanted to do this video because I think the whole concept behind it is just so incredible. And I mean, so why wouldn't I want to do that? You know what I mean? Like I love that. I love that it's being kind to the animals, and I do. I think it's incredible. I think the whole concept behind it is incredible. I am so excited about the products in this box. Like for my first box, I'm so excited that this is what I got because I think that it is just so great. I cannot wait for the December box to come. Can't wait to do that video for you guys either. Again, paying for it with my own money. And you don't have to use my link, like I said, if you want to use somebody else's or if you just want to go to Kinder Beauty, but I would be forever grateful if you did use my link. And again, I will have those codes that you can use also down below. Everything will be listed down below if you want to buy it separately. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I will see you guys again on Thursday. Bye!